Hey there, fellow crafters! Welcome back to another exciting crochet tutorial with yours truly, Julia, diving into the wonderful world of yarn and hooks to create something super cute and festive. A crocheted carrot. Whether you want to jazz up your Easter decorations, add a whimsical touch to your table setting, or just have some fun with the kiddos, this carrot is the perfect project for you. Now, before we jump right in, don't forget to check out the link below for detailed tutorials on crafting these adorable Easter buddies, the bunny and the sheep. Trust me, they're a must-have for your holiday festivities. And hey, if you're feeling extra generous and want to support my channel, you can grab the full tutorial recordings for a donation. Plus, there's a PDF pattern available for those who prefer to follow along with written instructions. So, let's get this crochet. First things first, gather your supplies. You'll need some acrylic yarn, perfect for beginners, a 5mm hook, scissors, polyester stuffing, and a trusty crochet needle. Easy peasy, right? Alrighty, let's dive into the nitty-gritty. We'll start by crocheting a ring with 4 single crochets to form the base of our carrot. It might feel a tad tight at first, but trust me, it'll loosen up as we go. Next up, we'll work on creating that signature carrot shape with some increases and rounds of single crochets. And hey, if you've got any questions along the way, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Next, I crochet 2 rows in the round with 4 single crochets in each row. These will be the second and third rows. For the 4th row, repeat 1 single crochet and increase the next stitch 2 times. In total, we have 6 single crochets. As we work our way through the rows, I'll share some tips and tricks to keep you on track, like using markers to stay organized. So, are you team markers, or do you prefer to wing it? Let me know in the comments below. We crochet the 5th and 6th rows in the round without any changes. In the 7th row, we increase again, making 2 single crochets in the next loop increase, 1 and 2. Then repeat again with 2 single crochets and an increase. In total, we have 8 stitches in a row. For the 8th and 9th rows, we crochet in a circle with 8 single crochets in each row. For the 10th row, 2 single crochets and increase the next stitch, repeating 3 times. At the end of the row, we end up with 11 stitches. We crochet the 11th, 12th, and 13th rows in circles with 11 single crochets in each row. For the 14th row, 2 single crochets and increase, repeating 4 times. At the end of the row, we get 15 single crochets. In the 15th row, we make 15 single crochets in a circle. Now it's time to stuff the carrot. It's ready. The 16th row is also the last. We make 11 decreases. leaving the tip to tighten the hole. We hide the yarn inside. But wait, we can't forget the finishing touch, the carrot's tail. Grab some green yarn, cut a few strands, and weave them through the bottom for that extra pop of color. Voila! Our crocheted carrot masterpiece is complete. And hey, if you're feeling up for a challenge or want to try something new, why not swap out the yarn for plush material and create a larger-than-life carrot? Perfect for those giant bunnies, or as a statement piece for your home decor. Let me know if you'd like to see a tutorial on that. I'm always up for a crafting adventure. Alrighty folks, that's a wrap for today. I hope you enjoyed crafting along with me. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more fun tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy crocheting!